You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grandy.
This is one of the most important pieces of legislation that Congress has passed in decades to help the American worker, to help grow the American economy. This is a good day for America. This is a good day for workers. This is a great day for growth, and we're very excited about this moment.
We're going to increase the workers' pay of employees.
People are going to see this in their paychecks. This is about the middle class. This is about working families. People are going to see their paychecks go up. People are going to see their wages go up. That's what this is all about.
Middle-income wage earners will be the biggest beneficiary.
Everybody starting in February is going to see an increase in their paycheck.
So when people get their February paycheck, and they're going to see more money in their pocket.
Really? How are they going to see more money in their pocket? Here's Cash Carrion. Well, here's what he says, and he's right.
I look at a lot of different measures to try to assess the job market. And if you look at prime age workers, so roughly 25 to 55, there are still more than 1 million prime age workers who are on the sidelines relative to where we were before the Great Recession. Most importantly, you want to assess a market, supply and demand. Look at the price. Wages are not climbing. They're not increasing or at an accelerating rate.
That's right. They're not. And so why even raise rates?
As you know, the headline unemployment rate has fallen from around 10% at the peak of the Great Recession to 4.1% today. But I still think that doesn't capture everyone who's out of the job market. And so my comment is, why are we raising rates when inflation is low and falling? And now more recently, we're seeing warning signs from the bond market.
Yeah, and it's unbelievable. The bond yields are climbing. But why raise rates when wages aren't up? That means, why have a person pay more for his car payment, pay more for his credit card, and so on, or a small business pay more for his business loan? That's insane. That's ridiculous. Welcome to Phil's Gang, coast to coast around the country, off the Wall Street Radio Network. It appears that Wall Street, since November 2016, who has been trading into the promise of the great tax cut, is now selling into the fact that it passed. And that's what goes on. Buy on the rumor, they sell into the fact. And that's why I love my charts, because my charts tell me when I can look over and I can see the institutions, the big boys, the banks, the insurance companies who do all the buying of the stocks. When they're not putting money in, you know something's up. When they're pulling money out, which they're doing now, they've made their money. They said, look, we're going to make our money on this rumor, on the hype. See, they're smart. Institutions know investors fail to control their emotion. That's why investors lose money in the stock market. Very few investors make money in the stock market, especially retail customers, because they let their emotion control them, because they let their planners, their brokers, their advisors control them, instead of using their own head. At least when you have a chart and you're with me and I give you my video chart, where every day, 24 hours a day, you go on my site, hit MV2 video chart, and I've selected a chart for you, a stock for you, and every day I guide you with that stock. It updates all through 24 hours, tells you exactly when to buy, tells you exactly when to take profits, tells you when to add more stocks or add more shares or take more shares off. You don't have to do a thing. It's ideal for the person who says, I don't have time to learn. It's ideal for the person who says, look, I just want to make money, but I don't want to do anything. Because I can't. I'm busy. And this, what they're doing now, the stock market is totally disconnected from the companies. Unbelievable what's going on. The current tax code allows homeowners to deduct interest on mortgages up to $1 million. Then under the new tax bill, they capped it. They reduced it. Said, no, it's going to be $500. We're going to reduce it. Well, lobbyists for realtors and developers put cash in the pockets of the individual congressman and said, no, that's a little too low, $500,000. Why don't we take the cap and raise it from $500,000, which will affect, remember, if we keep it at $500,000, that's going to affect 3 million people. How about raising it to $700,000? Let me put more cash in your pocket. And that will affect only 800,000 people compared to 3 million. And that's the truth. And that's what they did. This is all about the big money controlling everything. And for anyone who tells me this is not about the rich, Senator Bob Corker, real bad guy, an ultra-wealthy passive real estate investor worth $36 million, which obviously is worth much more than that, but he hides it. He's not going to, like all congressmen, they don't put it on their statements, said he would change his no vote. Remember his no vote? Every day, no vote, no vote, no vote. Why? Oh, I am so concerned. I am so concerned about the debt. I'm so concerned about the debt increasing $1.3 trillion. We already have a $600 billion deficit and a $20 trillion debt. I'm so concerned we're going to add $1.3 trillion to our already $600 billion deficit. I'm not sleeping at night. But guess what? There would be a change to the 20% personal income deduction for him. That was exclusively for small, non-passive businesses, like your dry cleaner, like your air conditioning company, the small guys in town. It was exclusively, this 20% was exclusively for them. But now it includes passive real estate investors like Corcoran, even the president's brother-in-law. That's right. What they did was Corcoran said, I will change my vote to a yes vote, and I'll be able to sleep at night as long as you include me, a very passive real estate investor. I can take my real estate and I can be get part of that 20% deduction, personal income deduction, that I can take and set up my corporation and pass it through so that I get that 20% personal deduction. I'll change my vote. Oh, and people were telling us this, and they changed it. Now, if you're a passive real estate investor and you own buildings everywhere and you have investments, and you now can be treated just like a small dry cleaner. Thank Bob Corcoran. Now, Corcoran, who was so worried about the $1.3 trillion additional budget deficit, doesn't seem to care anymore. Not since the amendment was changed, the 20% deduction amendment, where he can benefit. Matter of fact, ordinary people who invest in real estate now can benefit. This, are you kidding me? This loophole got bigger and bigger. So the ordinary guy, as well as the 1 percentile, who, because 80% of his income for the 1 percentile comes from the stock market, see how he gains. These guys that make most of their money in the stock market, they're going to gain now with the 20%. They can use that loophole too, just like Corcoran can use the loophole for his real estate. Now that the tax cut has gone from 35% down to 21%, which, by the way, that's all they're paying now. That is all they're paying now, is 21%. Don't let them take parking space in your head that this is a big tax cut for corporations. Because you go back and look at all the loopholes, they're not paying any more taxes than the corporations overseas who they keep complaining that they can't compete with. When their effective tax rate that they pay is the same as any corporation overseas. So now the 1 percentile, who 80% of their income comes from stocks, corporations are going to have far more profits because they're paying far less taxes. That means the stocks are going to go up in price. That means the portfolios of 1% are going to go up. They're going to make a fortune. But guess what? They too, now the rich, they can use the 20% personal income deduction that otherwise they weren't able to use. Otherwise, Corcoran and his buddies with real estate weren't able to use before they tweaked and did an amendment to this 20% to take care of the wealthy.
First of all, I knew nothing about the provision. I've had no involvement. It actually came out of the House.
Oh, but this is not about the wealthy, is it? We'll be right back. Join my gang, 877-600-GANG. Please follow me in my new stock. I'll talk about it when I get back.
You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon, and we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy at Phil's Gang. I got a great opportunity for those people who are disgusted with the market, who don't have time to learn. What you do is follow me in the exchange-traded fund that I'm invested in. Every day you go to my site and you can see exactly what I am doing with my investment, and you can mimic me. Nobody else dares do that. Join the gang, philsgang.com.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264.
St. Jude helps save kids with cancer everywhere.
I'm from Florida. I'm from Illinois. Where are you from?
I don't remember. I was a baby when I was born.
Donate now at stjude.org or shop where you see the St. Jude logo.
You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang.
Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
To you and your family and all my Phil's Gang listeners, I want to wish you a happy and prosperous new year. Happy New Year, everyone.
The Phil's Gang Stock Corner is brought to you by the MaxBest 1000 Stock Charts.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, we're going to start the new year, and many of you listen to the market and how terrific it is, and everybody's getting rich.
The economy is doing really well. What I think is what's in the stock market right now is what's going on in the economy.
It's not happening that way. Very few people are getting rich in the stock market. The elitists are, the 1%, because the market is their market. They control 80% of the stock market, the stock value. Very few people, retail people, very few people of our 160 million workforce own stock. And their 401ks are useless. Why? Because they never get the money out because of the fees. Every time a stock market crashes, anyone in the 401k, you know yourself, have you gotten out of your 401k before the market crashed? Think of the crashes. Did you get out with all your money, or did you stay in and you lost money in your 401k? Of course, you lose your money in your 401k. Why? Because the 401k mutual fund, they want to make sure that you stay there, that you can't get out. It's the only products Americans buy and don't know the price of it. They don't know the quality of it. They don't know the danger of it, but they buy it.
I was close to a $500,000 I had in my 401k with company stock. You know, it was like, wow, look at all the money we have. Look at what is happening. You know, I can retire probably when I'm 45.
Skoczynski not only lost her savings, she lost her job.
They have no idea. They can't. If the stock market starts crashing at 10 o'clock in the morning, they can't get out to the end of the day. And here's something worse. With the market, with their stock crashing, they can't make money. They can't, what they call, short it. And you get screwed with tax consequences. At the end of each year, there's distributions. It's a scam, the 401k. So when you hear how wealth is being created in the stock market for people with 401ks, they're richer than ever. But there's something else about a 401k mutual fund. The fees are 20 times more expensive than a simple SPDR ETF. A simple SPDR ETF costs you almost nothing. And if you are way behind with your retirement and you want to catch up, I have a program that works. Try it for a month. I have a great program that catches you up. If you're there, you're worried, you're in your 60s or 50s, and you're worried, oh my God, I'm going to have to work till I'm 90. Then this is a program that works for you. A few weeks ago, we spotted gold. And I said, here's what's going to happen. Trump is going to drop the dollar. He's going to drop it. He told us when he was running as a candidate, he favored a weak dollar. And I said, isn't that strange? Why would you favor a weak dollar? Because a weak dollar is a weak economy. Who the hell would want a weak dollar? But then I figured out what he was doing. He was left with an $800 billion, well, say $600 billion when he got it, trade deficit. A trade deficit's a killer. It is the worst killer of jobs, wages. It killed you. But nobody wants to talk about it. And he knew it was heading to $800 billion. He had to get that trade deficit down. And even getting it down, it's a tough thing to do to grow to 3%, because when you have a trade deficit, there's nothing worse. It kills jobs. It killed 6 million jobs under Obama. There's nothing worse. But the problem is, even if you took that trade deficit, started to cut it and chop it and chop it and chop it, it does no good. Not until you have an oil policy. Not until we're drilling where we're supposed to have been drilling years ago, because we still have to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day from foreigners. So whatever we do, how hard we work to keep that dollar low, drive that dollar down, so that we export more goods to keep our deficit down. The minute we start borrowing, we have to go borrow from China to buy 10.1 million barrels of oil a day. That wipes out anything that's good. The 401k is ridiculous because you only can go one way with it. You only can buy. You got to be in a position with a stock that not only can you buy, but you can make money going short. And that's what this program offers. I have a program. It's called my MV2 program. And it's a video program. We're starting a new stock, a new gold stock. Let me just give you some of the gold stocks we started a couple of weeks ago. And I'm not suggesting every gang member made this profit. What I'm suggesting is when it turned green, the day it turned green to where it is now, this is the profit center of that stock, and we identified when it turned green. When a gang member decides when he wants to pull the trigger, that's up to him. We tell him by video to pull the trigger, when to pull the trigger. We do everything. You haven't even got to think. Nugget's up 31%. GDX up 8%. AU is up 9%. AUI 28%. I'm not suggesting every customer, every gang member made that kind of return. Let's say every gang member made 5% in the last 2 weeks. I think that's pretty good. Let's cut it all the way down to 5% each. What's wrong with that? Not a thing. That's terrific. 5% return. All you had to do during the day, while you're working or at home or watching TV, gee, I wonder what Phil wants me to do with GDX. So you go, philsgang.com, you click on the home page, there it is, MV2 video. Click on, there's the video about GDX. I tell you exactly what to do. What's that, minute? Not even a minute. And you go on with your life. So you can catch up. And the fees, the thing is, the fees are almost nothing. When you're deducting 2% a year for investment costs, then pay 0.25% of what's left to Uncle Sam, you lose 2% to inflation, you're left with 1% a year. With a 401k, it's going to take you 70 years to double your money. The impact of fees cannot be understated. Even Tom Brenner, who founded the 401k, said that. Not only did he say that, he said the experiment of 401k has failed because it's a sham and it's one of the biggest skimming operations in the country.
If you're not aware of what you're paying, then at the end of a 30-year working career, you can have a lot less in retirement savings than you expected to have.
So join my gang. It's $39.95.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Here is the number that you need, okay, to make a difference in your financial life. 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-GANG. It's $39.95. Join the gang, and why don't you start out with our program that's so successful, it's incredible. It's for people who say, I don't want to do anything, I just want to make money. I don't want to learn because I don't have time. And that's what this program's about. Every day I do a video, and I redo the videos all during the day, 24 hours a day. We redo the videos. For example, we bought gold when our chart, our MV2 chart, it showed us the institution buyers were coming in and buying gold, AU. It went up over 10%. It showed the institutional investors were getting out, and we got out. And guess what? It pulled all the way back. If you stayed in, you would have lost all the gains.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
philsgang.com. What are people saying?
I've been in the financial business myself about 24 years. Very much enjoy the software program for the charts.
I love the new MV charts on Phil's software, and I'm making profits using them.
Complete guidance and professional education for investors who want to succeed in the stock market.
I love your new MV1, making lots of profits.
I love the chart. You know, I'm limited with time. Real good as far as just looking at whatever ticker tells me right away.
I've always enjoyed Phil's straightforwardness and talk about what's really going on.
The new MV1 and MV2 charting software. I particularly like the pre- and post-market candlesticks.
You guys have always been great on the service side. I can't say enough about the service side.
Don't wait. Sign up for Phil's Gang today.
Give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264.
You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
Would you pay $39.95 a month to have financial peace of mind? Well, let me ask, have you ever wanted to trade stocks but didn't know where to turn? For only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com, Phil Grandy teaches his online subscribing members how to buy, sell, and short stocks. Yes, folks, short the stocks and take profits. There's no books, no newsletters, no useless fundamentals, only straight technical analysis with the #1 stock chartist in the country. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Become a philsgang.com member today and start making profits in the stock market with Phil's investing programs and video stock picks. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call. 877-600-GANG. 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Radio Show. Want to know more about Phil's Gang? Go to philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
Remember St. Jude Hospital, all we do is we ask that you join Phil's Gang, especially the folks who have not got time to come to my classes to get all of I have, I think, one of the best teaching formats in the country. But I understand many people don't have time to go through that. And they're always asking, I just wish I could find somebody that could make money for me without doing anything. I'm busy. I'm busy with my job. I'm busy with my kids. I'm busy with, I'm so busy. I haven't got time to study stocks or look at a chart. I said, fine. I finally got it. Phil Grandy finally got it. Then I said, okay, how about if I do it for you? I'll tell you what, I'll charge you $39.95. Now, by the way, you pay $39.95, you get access to all of the educational system we have. This is just a small little group that I targeted, just like you, who don't have time. Or if you had time, you don't want to learn anything. You just want to make money. So I do a video. And then you go into the homepage where it says MV2 Video Stock. You click on, it's updated 24 hours a day. You do exactly as my instructions tell you. This morning, we added gold. We added 2 gold stocks, and they're doing beautifully. 2 gold stocks. It's still very, very early. I tell them exactly when to get in, tell them how many shares to buy. Now I'm going to tell them when to add to it, or I'm going to tell them when to make, maybe, hey, we get out of it. I want to make sure you're out of it before it goes back down. Nobody else is going to do that for you. So here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Please join at least the MV2 video group where we do all the work for you. I just started a brand new stock today. Don't miss it. It's gold stocks. Everybody says, gold stocks are no good. Really? You said that about that in late 2015. We're up over 120%. Two other video stocks we just completed was Best Buy and Juniper. One was up, 17%? The other one was up 13%. Now, I'm not saying because one was up 17% and one was up 13% that I'm guaranteeing you the gold stocks will be up the same. I can't guarantee that. I don't know. But I will know this. You'll get a good night's sleep, like Bob Corkin is. You'll be just like him, sleeping. Because why? You'll feel comfortable. Because you know why? When you wake up in the morning, you don't have to worry anymore. I wonder what the stock's going to do. You try to get to your broker. What should we do? What should we do? No, it's all taken care of for you. I take care of every detail for you. You haven't got to do anything. All I ask is you take care of St. Jude. There's nothing like St. Jude. It's not just a hospital. It's a research center. And about 85 cents of every dollar you donate goes to the kids, goes to the hospital, goes to research, not limousines. So my deal is I will reach out and help you where you haven't got to do a thing. I've got the video stocks right now. As I said, two good video stocks, GDX and NUGT. Those are the symbols. Join now. You're not calling, I'm not trying to, I don't have a call service over to the Philippines or a call service to India to save money. We do it right here, the old American way. We do it right here. You call my office right where I am right now. They're waiting for your call and get into the gold mining stocks that just started today, okay? Here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG, and please remember St. Jude. Okay, next. So for anyone to suggest that the new tax bill doesn't favor the rich over the working middle class, you gotta be sitting on the longest stupid bench in the world. Or if you believe the goal of Mnuchin and Cohen, the architects of this bill, who Trump should have been firing, who are Wall Street investment bankers, who are gangsters. They're gangsters. They have no integrity. They only care about one thing, money. They don't care about America. They don't care about American wages. Are you kidding? They're so insulated. They're behind their gated communities. They have their private jets. They have their helicopters. They don't even know what food costs. You think they really care about you when they get into their private jet and take off and go to Aspen? To their $20 million house? You think they really care about you? They say they do. They say they don't sleep at night. Mnuchin and Cohen, they say they don't sleep at night because they're so worried about you when they're flying in their Gulfstream $20 million jet out to the Hamptons. They're worried about us. Really? Oh, yeah, they said they're going to create this bill to give the middle class income family a big tax cut. The small worker, big tax cut. Well, I'm sorry. 83% of small businesses don't make any money anyways. Very little money. We're not going to gain. Oh, and you're going to do that to stimulate the economy growth from 2% to 3%? Even 4%, they said. Oh, how are you going to do that? How are you going to do that? The middle-class workers continue for 10 years, not only not to increase wages, but their full-time jobs have been outsourced by the big corporations you give them the big tax cuts to. Isn't that amazing? They give the big tax cut from 35% down to 21% to a foreign corporation. An American corporation that mostly owned by foreigners. They give them the tax cut from 35 to 21%, but they give the small business who's hardly making it. It can't make it because the wage has been so low in this country that these small businesses don't export. The dry cleaning business down your street, he doesn't export his dry cleaning. The air conditioning store doesn't export his air conditioner. The furniture company doesn't export his, or the key maker, the guy that makes your keys, the hardware store, he doesn't export. He has to rely on the folks here getting good wages and not getting wages. So how the hell are you going to grow from 2% to 3%, 4%? You nuts? And they said, we're doing this so to make the middle-class workers continue to feel that relief for years to come. God, you think they were selling Pepto-Bismol? You think they were selling Advil? You think they're selling... it's unbelievable what they're trying to sell here. to believe it, you're sitting on the longest stupid bench in the world. The tax bill gives us an hallucination of new prosperity to the middle class. That's it. The CEOs are going to be making money. The 1 percentile is going to make money. The real estate trust guys like Corton going to make money. Congress, Pelosi's going to make money. Her and her husband own more real estate than God owns. They're all going to do great. But the little guy that's on Main Street, the worker, he's not going to do so well. The small businessman, he is the backbone of this country, and they're screwing him. The small businessman is the backbone of this country, i.e., sole proprietorships, S corporations. Now, they don't pay taxes themselves, corporate taxes, but they pass their business profits through themselves, and they put their profits on their individual tax return, which they get taxed at 39%. Now they're going to lower it to 37%. Oh, but they're going to give them a 20% deduction on their income from their business, their profits. They're not doing that well, so it's not going to mean much. But sure as all hell going to mean a lot to the 1 percentile whose stock portfolio is going to go through the moon because stock prices are going up because taxes are going down on corporations. He's going to get a big break. And so aren't all the congressmen and everybody in this country. Even Trump's brother-in-law, son-in-law, is going to get a big benefit from this because these guys are worth millions with these real estate trusts.
First of all, I knew nothing about the provision.
So these tax cuts from 39.6% to down to 37%, that's what the businessman wants. Never mind the 20%. Give the small businessman a 21%, just like the corporation. And you screw the small businessman by making it temporary, the tax cut from 39.6 down to 37%. What are you, nuts? Making it temporary? Give it to them for 15. Drop their tax rate to 15. Or better yet, drop their tax rate to 21 like the corporation, and then take the withholding tax and get rid of it. Stop taxing the labor so the small businessman hasn't got to keep matching 6% with his employee. Get rid of the worst tax in the world. It's a crime to tax labor. Get rid of that. That's what you got to get rid of. You really want to make this country great again? Get rid of it. But no, nobody's trying to make this country great again. They're trying to make the stock market greater. And that's why you want to join my gang. Let's not fight City Hall. And right now I got gold stocks that I'm going to be putting on my MV2 video charts. Join the gang tonight.
You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Why don't you join my gang right now and do the new program I put in place just for you? People say, I just want to make money. I don't have time to do anything. You just go to my homepage, philsgang.com, and it says MV2 videos. And there's 3 videos I do during the day. We have it in the morning, in midday, and then in the afternoon. And we keep updating them, so you always know what to do.
For more information, go to philsgang.com or give us a call, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
So, what is love? Love is being independent. Love is dancing. At Shriners Hospital for Children, love is a new smile.
At Shriners Hospitals for Children, love is caring for a child regardless of the family's ability to pay. Learn how you can send your love to the rescue at lovetotherescue.org.
Phil's Gang and Choice Trade are separate and unrelated companies. Choice Trade does not provide any investment advice or recommend or endorse any particular security or investment strategy. At philsgang.com, we're always striving to understand our members' needs. And for over 18 years, philsgang.com has met the goals to educate and inform investors how to make the most of your money and your choices. That's why Phil Grandy and philsgang.com has teamed up with Choice Trade
a leading online broker for stocks and options. Choice Trade has received 4 stars 6 times from Barron's in their annual survey of online brokers. Bill Grandy at philsgang.com recommends Choice Trade as your online broker. For more information on Phil's Gang and opening an account with Choice Trade, go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today. You love the Phil's Gang radio show and Phil's commentary? Then you should check out the Phil's Gang website and view our free material. Join Phil's Gang for only $39.95 a month. If you're a seasoned investor or know nothing about investing in the stock market, but are interested in generating extra income or securing your financial future, go to philsgang.com and get daily live investing webinars up to the minute market data, alerts, investing guidance, and stock recommendations. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com today.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. This is a wonderful season. Please have a Merry Christmas, and don't forget to remember St. Jude Hospital.
And I really mean this sincerely. We've done a lot together, such amazing partners to us, and just promoting it and letting me come on. It's all part of the giving spirit to help kids around the country. And I know, as grateful as I am, I know how grateful the moms and dads are. So we can't thank you enough for giving us the time. You've always been a great supporter of ours.
You're listening to The Best of Phil's Gang. Welcome back to the Phil's Gang Show. Learn, invest, and make profits with philsgang.com in 2018. Give us a call, 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
We had 6 major corporations, all of whom are going to pass along their tax savings from this tax bill, passing along directly to their workers. They're going to invest more, pay higher wages, train more people, hire more people. I mean, isn't that a benefit to hundreds of thousands of people?
Corporate profits are the highest that they've ever been. I don't think this tax cut is going to lead to any kind of significant investment that wasn't already going to happen.
That's right. When you get guys like Varney and Payne, and you get these guys on CNBC, and you get these guys on Fox, the 20% group on Fox, they're not going to tell you that. There's about AT&T, Boeing, Comcast, Third Bank, Wells Fargo. That's already in there. Go look at their plans. It's already been in there. Just far before this tax cut was finally approved. And I love how the rich are not going to benefit from this bill. Really? Why don't you just tell the truth? Why are you embarrassed? If you have wealth, don't be embarrassed. Especially if you created it yourself and it wasn't handed down to you. Don't ever be embarrassed if you have wealth, because you earn it. What do you want to... I mean, remember, under Obama, what did we have? Remember the old job lock?
If you want to be creative and be a musician or whatever, you can leave your work, focus on your talent, your skill, your passion, your aspirations, because you will have health care. You don't have to be job locked.
Yeah, you don't have to be job locked, because why? We're going to fine the millennials, the young, healthy people. We're going to fine them $695, may even put them in jail. We're going to collect from them a total of about $388 billion. So go home. Don't work. Can you imagine disincentivizing work? That's what the Obama administration did for 8 years. Now, we're supposed to turn this around with one tax cut after 8 years? What are you, nuts? It's not going to happen. So why doesn't Mnuchin go tell the truth instead of lie about it? Say, we're going to try. But boy, Reagan tried. Baby Bush tried. They failed. We got a worse situation going. We got 8 years of a socialist communist behind us. We got to change all of his socialist communist party economics, telling people to go home, don't work. We'll take the young people and find them. We'll get the money from them. And if they don't want to give us the money, they want to buy health, we'll find them. What country is this? This is the United States. What other product would any American president say, I'm going to find you, I'm forcing you to buy this product? So don't worry about the 13, when you hear all the liberal Democrats coming, oh, there's going to be 13 million people. 13 million people, their insurance is going to go, they're going to lose their insurance. Really? That's 7%. 7%. Are you kidding? Everybody else is covered by insurance by their employers. Then you have like another 6% who never wanted health care anyways. They go to the hospital. Let's stop listening about that. Let's just make money. This will prove. This is going to prove out in a couple years if it's a failure. But in the meantime, why don't we make money? Because one thing we do know, they cannot let the stock market drop. We know that. Now they have to force this market up. They got to double where this market's from. They got to go from 24,000 to 50,000. They've got to in the next 8 years. They have no choice now. They got to have a market to back their play. They got to have a market to mask their lies. So they got to keep saying, oh, the market is the economy. Look, it's up. It's another 2,000 points.
The economy is doing really well. What I think is what's in the stock market right now is what's going on in the economy.
Well, we're at 30,000 now. Oh, we're at 35,000. And you're not participating? Are you nuts? Never mind the insurance. You want to make money? Make money. Then you can pay for whatever the insurance costs. What the hell do you care about the insurance cost if you're making money? But instead, people dropped out of the stock market. I can't blame you. In 2008, $8 trillion gone. Everybody lied to you. But this time, it's on our side. They locked themselves into the biggest lie. They locked themselves into taking the stock market. They have no choice. They got to mask even more than what Obama masked. His $1 trillion stimulus didn't work. And they're trying to tell us this $1.4 trillion is going to? Well, it's not even a stimulus. It's less tax revenue we bring in. And there's no way to cover it. So here I got an excellent stock. I want everybody, please, tonight, call right now, 877-600-GANG. I'm starting with a new stock, symbol CG. You don't even have to know what the company does. I don't even know what the hell it does. If I dug up J.P. Morgan, he couldn't tell you. Wow! But does it really matter what it does? No, because it doesn't matter. This average volume is just under 1 million shares. Nice looking stock, but here's what it's telling me. All the big institutions are putting their money into it right now. So we're going to put our money into it. So I will do a video on this, and then you follow me every day on this video, the MV2 video. Okay, that's what we call it, our MV2 videos, right on the home page. You go there anytime at night, anytime during the day, put on your mobile device, and do exactly what I tell you to do. The first minute I tell you to buy this, I gave this to my gang about 2 days ago on our watch list, CG. And right now, in 2 days, it's up about 6% in 2 days. But now we're getting, tomorrow, if this makes one more move tomorrow, the institutions come in and start buying this tomorrow, then I'm going to say on my video, here's where you're going to buy it, here's where I want, and here's how many shares I want you to buy, either a Scout, or we'll do more shares than a Scout. I guide you. Just do exactly what I tell you. Don't miss out on CG. And also, don't miss out on GDX. Gold is breaking, because the dollar is going to tumble, because the more people find out that this bill is a pack of lies, and it's not going to perform any better than Reagan's bill, not going to perform any better than Baby Bush's bill. It can't. It's impossible, because we're coming in from such a deep hole. We got to dig out. Look we have to go. It's like somebody saying to you, go dig that hole. I'll give you an analogy how bad Obama left this country. Go dig that hole. Well, we got to go, and we first have to, we're in a desert. This is what we're facing. Go dig a hole right there. Well, wait a minute, I don't have a shovel. Well, you got to find a tree. Well, there's no tree. We're in a desert. Well, hey, that's your problem. Go find a tree or grow a tree and then cut the tree down, make a shovel out of it, then start digging the hole. Holy mackerel, that's tough. Well, that's where we are.
I feel like I'm taking crazy pills.
Anybody figure it out in the last 8 years? All the market's been going is up, 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 up to mask that. But that's where Trump is coming from. So why isn't Cohen and Mnuchin being honest about it? Because they're from Wall Street. They don't know how to be honest. They don't know how to be honest. Are you kidding me? This is crazy. I mean, Trump, when he was a candidate, he said, I am going to make sure when I do this tax cut for these large corporations, I don't trust them, and I'm going to give them this tax savings for capital investment and purchase equipment and all this stuff. It's going to be mandated that they only get this tax cut if they do capital investment. If they don't do the capital investment, they don't get the tax cut. And I'm going to give them an incentive. I'm going to tell them now when they buy a new piece of equipment, instead of writing it off over 5 years, they can write it off in 1 year. I'm going to even do that. But I am going to make sure that I'm going to put a mandate in that you only get the lower rate. You only get to pay for your equipment in 1 year instead of 5 if you participate. 6 out of 3,600 corporations that said, I'm participating, but they were lying. The things that they were doing, Wells Fargo said it's going to increase its minimum wage for U.S. employees from $13.50 to $15. Wow, don't spend it all in one place. That was already, they already decided on that a year ago. Do you think a large corporation, the CEO wakes up and goes, on Friday or on 2 days ago, look at this, they passed a bill. Let's make a decision. A large corporation. Let's make a decision. We're going to go from $13.50 to $15. You know how many committees a large corporation has? You know how many committees it has to go through? You know how many lawyers it has to go through just to get from $13.50 to $15? It would take a year just to get through the lawyers. It would take a year to get through the lawyers. And you're trying to take parking space in our head? On Monday, Tuesday it passed. The House and Senate, now they woke up on Wednesday. We're going to give everybody a raise from $13.50 to $15. Are you nuts? Make some money. I'm doing that video right after the show. 877-600-GANG. They're waiting for your call. Help St. Jude.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.